another apron and sidewalk on this really nice property in the city of West Los Angeles. We're just finishing forming it. Afterwards we'll be doing a beautiful driveway here. But again, we are currently looking at the actual apron. I'm just walking the sidewalk. This is exactly the way that the inspector wants us to do it. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna turn around so we can get an additional view from this side. So again, just the sidewalk, little walkway leading to the street, and a nice apron. This is what it looks like. That's it. Here we go, just the completed sidewalk section in apron here in the city of West Hollywood. This is what it looks like with a little walkway here extending from the entrance of the property. And again, just walking the new sidewalk section. Turn around. Here we go, just walking it back. So again, new sidewalk section and a new concrete apron. Just another view of the apron and the sidewalk.